Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to fully customize your iPhone running iOS 16. And you can do all that using one single free app that you can get from the App Store. I'm talking about customizing the lock screen, the home screen, the theme, widgets, anything you can think of to make your iPhone stand out and look really different. Now we'll show you guys the app, how to use it, and what you need to do step by step in order to get these amazing setups on your iPhone. Now here's what I'm talking about. Take a glimpse here at what you can do with this app. And this is a very simple setup. You can do that in a couple of minutes. Here we have custom icons, we have a widget at the top, and the wallpaper here. Everything is from this app. I can open, of course, the app, the icons work. No labels there, they look really clean. So let's head on into the app. Is this app right here. It is called ShowCuts. Now you can download different setups for your home screen and lock screen, which I will show you guys in a couple of minutes here, because that's a bit more complicated, and of course you will need to follow the step-by-step guide to achieve that. But before we get into that, let's first move on to the themes and widgets and wallpapers, and let me show you guys how to download themes first. So you head on into the gallery section right here, and you have icon packs. You tap on see all, and you will see right here we have 130 different packs of icons. Now a lot of these will be paid, even though some of them are really cheap, but you will also find ones that are actually free. So you can see right here, that one is free. We can go ahead and download it, take a look at it, do whatever you want. You will have quite a few here that you can download actually for free. Now let's just find one here, this one right here. Let me show you guys how you can actually download this to your device. Now we can take a look at these icons right here. You can see how beautiful these are. So what we do here, tap on get. This will download these to our device. It's pretty simple. You just save the file into the Files app. So let's just wait here for a few seconds until it downloads. So there it is. All we have to do now is tap there on more and tap save to files, and choose here where you want to save it on your Files app, and tap on save. Once we have done that, now we can move to the Files app. So let's head on to the Files app and find the files we just downloaded. Is this one right here. Just tap to unzip it, and you will have all the icons right here. It is that easy. So here we have the icons, and we can go ahead and now save any of these that we need. So of course you can tap right there, tap on select, and select which icons you want to download actually and save to your device. So let's just find a few that we might need here. So we can find a few of these, and once we're done with this, we tap right there. We actually tap the share button and tap save images. This will save these to our camera roll. From here, what we can do now is of course add these to the home screen. Now to add these to the home screen, you will need an app to run. So you tap the plus button and you choose which app you want to add to your home screen. Tap on open app, and let's just choose here an app. So if we want to go books, for example, we can go ahead and tap there. And now once we're done with that, we can tap the share button and tap add it to the home screen. We now tap here and choose the icon we just saved there. Click on choose right here. Now we can tap this X button to remove the name. That way we won't have a label on that icon, and then we have the icon on the home screen. This is how you download theme packs and apply them to your device with this app. Now we have even more here. Under the gallery section, you will also find wallpapers. You tap on see all. You can go ahead and take a look at a lot of wallpapers. You can see right there we have actually 25,800 different wallpapers. Now you can search here based on color, and of course based on like different artists that have posted here. So really easy way to actually just find any wallpaper you want and download to your device. Some really great wallpapers. Then you will also find widgets here. So these have to actually be applied to your device using an app called Widget. If you have been following my channel, you know this app. I have posted this a lot. So you will find the widgets here. All you have to do, once you have found a widget that you like, you go here and you tap on the get button. It will show you the link of that widget. Now to add it to your device using Widget, all you have to do is just copy this link and then go to Widget, and from here what you need to do is tap on create and import widgets, and then tap right here on the URL, tap paste, tap go, and there you will have the widget we just got from there. Here you have it on your device. Now you can go and just go ahead and just add it to your home screen. And now that we're done with themes, widgets, and wallpapers, let me show you guys how to get these awesome setups on the home screen and lock screen of your device. Now what we're looking here are like themes that will apply basically overlays to your wallpapers and make your device look really different. So let's just take a look here at a few of them, like this one right here. You can see if we just zoom in, basically what it will add to your home screen. It makes it look really different. You will have ones for your home screen and for your lock screen as well. But first of all, to apply these, you will need to download a couple of shortcuts, which you can find right here on the shortcuts section. First of all, get this one right here, the first one. Just wait here for a couple of seconds, tap on get shortcut. Once it shows here, tap on setup shortcut, add shortcut here, and then move on to the second one. And then this one is called Show Live Helper, so make sure you get this as well. Add the shortcut, and now you're good to go. Now what you need to do is first of all run Show Live, and it will show you a couple of pop-ups, maybe even more. Just tap allow everything on all of them, because they will show only the first time you run the shortcut, and then you don't need to bother with them anymore. Just allow everything and you're good to go. So once you run Show Live, it shows a few pop-ups, as I said. Once you have run it, now you can go back to ShowCuts to the app right here and find and download any of the different themes that you might want to download to your device. So let's just try this one right here. All we have to do is tap on it. It will show like this page. Just tap on the download button, and now it will show you the share sheet. Make sure you just tap right here, Show Live Helper, and you're good to go. Always tap here on always allow, so you don't get those anymore the next time you do this, and wait for the shortcut to run, and you're good to go. And you can see right here, once this shortcut did run and it is actually successful, you can see the result, how cool this looks. Now, two things you need to keep in mind here. You can do this for your home screen and lock screen as well, but first of all, before you try to run this shortcut and apply these like layouts and themes to your device, make sure that you don't have blur enabled for your home screen wallpaper. That's a feature of iOS 16. Just disable the blur for the home screen and make sure you have location services turned on in order for this to work. Now again here, you can also, as I said, apply these to your lock screen by going right there on the filter, choose lock, and then it will show you themes that are only for your lock screen. So you will have home and lock screen both, of course, separated. Now when you have the setup like this and you just want to change the wallpaper, maybe what you can do is go to your shortcuts and run here Show Live Helper. You run this shortcut and you can see right here you can install or change the wallpaper, or of course delete the home screen or the lock screen theme and delete the wallpaper as well. Some of the themes will show a username. You can change that username to your name from here, which is really cool. Now of course this will show you different information regarding your device on the home screen and lock screen. If you want to keep those updated, you will need to run the shortcut. You can also do that automatically by just adding automations. Go to automations, create personal automation, time of the day. You choose any time of the day you want, of course, maybe a few times a day here, and then just go ahead and tap on run, add action, and choose run shortcut. So that we have a run shortcut, and of course you choose the shortcut right here. Show Live Helper, tap the next button, disable this, don't ask, click on done, and you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. This is how you can fully customize your iPhone running iOS 16 using ShowCuts, a single app that can basically do everything for your device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You will find the link to the app right down below in the description of the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.